Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will be making breakfast. We will be having French toast and sausage. Let's get started by rinsing and cleaning our berries. You want to boil your sausage so you can boil all the grease out of the sausage. Now you want to get your eggs and make your batter. You want to remove this little string right here. Take all of that out. I'm going to use 6 eggs. You want to put some cinnamon in there. Some eggnog. Or you could use heavy cream, milk, any type of milk, almond milk, anything you like. This eggnog give it a great taste. So beat it up. Heat your grill up. Add the bread, about 2 at a time, depends on how big your bowl is. Lightly grease your grill or pan with olive oil. You want to start adding the bread. Using raisin bread because it make a nice flavor. As you can see, the sausage is boiling down nice and all the grease is coming out. Turn on each side. Cook until it's brown on each side. So once the sausage boils down, you just want to cut them like that. They can begin to fry. Leave a little bit of water or they're going to turn to grease. You want to get all of that grease out. You want to cook your French toast on medium heat. Hard, but fry it to the texture that you like, the doneness and level that you like. I want all the grease out, so I like to fry mine kind of hard. Drain your sausage. And I'm about to get ready to plate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. And don't forget to subscribe. I thank you in advance. Now that just looks beautiful. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. I really appreciate it. And remember, health is wealth, and we must take care of ourselves.